In this video I show you how to make this wiggle text animation that you see on the screen. Let's go. Okay, so we already got the text and these are the settings. So I'm using the font called OpenSense Bold, the size is 200, and we want to open the settings right away for the text layer. And then we go to Animate, Add Position, we go to Add Property and then Add Rotation as well. We go back to Add Selector and this time we add Wiggly. And now we want to change the X and Y value for position. So I'll keep this at 10. And if we change this, you can see I'll keep this at 20 and rotation 10 as well. And now we go to more options. We want to center the anchor point of the text. So we go to more options and group alignment. We change this to -30. So as you can see, the X is in the center. And now we go to Wiggly Selector 1. And if we increase this wiggles per second to around 17, or I don't know, you name it, as you can see, we get a faster animation. So it's basically how much wiggles per second you want. So I'll decrease it to 4. And for this one called correlation, if we increase it to 100 and then we have a look at it, this basically means that all the letters go to the same direction. So we want to keep this at 0. So now should be fine, all of the letters moving to different direction. And now we are gonna close the settings and go to Effects and Presets, type in Posterize Time. So double click on this one to add to the text, and we change the frame rate to 15 to make it look more jittery. So if you preview it, this is the type of look we'll be getting. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Peace.